everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the video till the end. But before proceeding further, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then guys do consider subscribing my channel. It will really motivate me to create more such content for you. And you can follow me on other platforms as well. The link is there in the description itself. So let's get started now. So here's our first opportunity, right? So here we can read about the company. That opportunity is from GeoPits. So about the job description, here you can see optimize SQL code as necessary, monitor performance of database system, monitor and maintain database maintenance plans for backup, SQL Server installation, upgrades, migrations and configuration, maintain database documentation as required, maintain and administer database security access, perform database backups and restores, troubleshoot and resolve database connectivity issues, follow problem management process to troubleshoot, follow change management process to implement database, proactively monitor and respond to MS SQL database alerts, on-call requirements to ensure 24/7 support of database operation. Right, so this is our first opportunity. The next opportunity is from Amazon. So they are hiring for the role of system development engineer intern. Here's the description given. Right, so do you love automating and streamlining manual process? Do you have a passion for making things easier, better, faster and more efficient? They have the right role for you. Now this opportunity is based at Sydney, right? So that is the thing. Now basic qualifications that you need: candidates will need to be in the penultimate year of their overall bachelor's, master's in computer science, excellent problem solving skills, programming knowledge with at least one modern language. Candidate must have good written and oral communication skills. Preferred qualification: so documentation and problem solving skills with attention to detail, familiarity with IP networking and troubleshooting, shell scripting experience with Bash or other common Linux shell. Right, so that is this. The next opportunity is from Spikewell. So they are hiring for the role of SDE intern. Here's the job description given: must have knowledge, skill and interest to build a career in front end, back end, full stack development and machine learning. About internship: so you should have relevant skills and interest in front end and back end, full stack development and machine learning. Should be available for full time internship. Duration of internship is 1 year. The stipend that they're going to offer is going to be 20K per month. Immediate joining will be appreciated. Coming to the qualifications: so BTech in CSE and IT, BCA, MCA passed out in 2023. Right, now talking about the selection process: so here you will be having an online test consisting of reasoning, aptitude, personality, that would be of 30 minutes, then coding test of 1 hour, then technical interview, then HR interview. Right, so here they have provided the address. The next opportunity is from Cisco. So Cisco is hiring for the role of data science analyst intern. Right, location is going to be Bangalore. Here you can read about further information that is given. Who you are: so someone having experience in data science and analytics, 0 to 2 years of experience, ability to work cross functionality, very strong in business analytics, previous experience in services will be helpful, exposure to operational and financial data, good in communication, ability to articulate analysis and present. Coming to the desired skills: so you need strong in both operational and financial data analysis, experience using statistical computer language R, Python, SQL, etc. to manipulate data and draw insights from a large data sets, knowledge of a variety of machine learning techniques, knowledge of advanced statistical techniques and concepts, mine and analyze data from company databases to drive optimization and improvement of product development, assess the effectiveness and accuracy of new data sources and data gathering techniques, develop custom data models and algorithms to apply to data sets, ability to work on multiple assignments, articulate complex data in business terms and make recommendations, a drive to learn and master new technologies, skill to extract intelligence from data, derive business insights and present to business. Right, so the next opportunity is from Techolution. So they are hiring for the role of artificial intelligence intern. The location is going to be Hyderabad. Role type is internship with PPO. Duration is going to be 6 months. Stipend 20K to 25K per month. Please apply if you are from the 23-24 batch pass out. roles and responsibilities been listed: creating and managing the AI development process, automating important infrastructure for the data science team, developing infrastructure for data transformation and ingestion, building AI models, explaining the usefulness of the AI models they create to a wide range of individuals, transforming the machine learning model into APIs, mandatory skills, so experience with deep learning, computer vision, image processing and data processing, experience in deep learning frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, strong experience with Python, good programming and problem solving skills, excellent communication skills, both oral and written presentation skills. Coming to the preferred skills, so they have been listed here, right? So the last opportunity that we have for this video, that is from Mphasis. So they are hiring for the customer support officer. So here you can read about the information that they are looking for: graduates, freshers with excellent communication skills, technical skills, operating the computer, MS Office, basic knowledge of insurance, active listening and probing skills, right? So that is about it. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope this video was helpful for you, and guys, make sure to share the video because there are many people right now, those who are looking for the opportunities, and I believe this video can be helpful for them. So please make sure to share. Even if it is not useful for you, I believe it will be useful for someone else who is looking for the opportunities. So do share the video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye bye.